Jay said, I ain't with the slippery rock. Oh. Let's get it, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hiking to the cave. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa, look. Squiggly.
Swear to God, I keep doing something over there.
This is a nice little, like, cove.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't no goddamn fishing.
Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't know these were over here.
Yeah.
I thought that was further north than. Can you turn this side? No, it ends back that way. What is parking?
Yeah, I used to do this shit
Huh?
when I was younger, bro. Just parkouring across streets.
Yeah, that was a decent little jump.
Nah, I could
Nah.
tell you a decent little.
Oh, nah.
Malik Woods, bro.
Fuck that.
We literally used to
You
have.
must be floating across them bitches.
We used to literally have parkour runs and would be jumping like 8-foot ditches.
Dude, you smacked me with that goddamn camera, bro.
If you've never done like a
I'm gonna
long
be
jump
pissed.
style, Jace, where you get some speed running up.
We had one.
Nah,
where
I
it
just
was
feel
like,
like I could, but I'm gonna eat shit on the landing.
I want to go back to it so bad because
I'm gonna eat shit on the fucking
that shit
landing.
was so fun. We could have a fire ass parkour run. It was all like parkour. But
Hey,
then
one of y'all motherfuckers walk that bitch and come back down real quick.
the tree.
No, the whole goddamn mountain.
Oh. But like, nah, yeah.
Let's
we
see how
had
fast it takes you, Brett.
It was probably like a 8 to 10 foot ditch, and there was
What?
a tree almost like in the middle of it, and we would literally jump to the tree and spring off to the like other side of it. That shit was so fire.
This guy. What are we fucking doing?
We're traveling, bro. We're traveling.
This is very slippery. Be careful.
Oh yeah.
This guy's gonna take me on the goddamn slippery ass rock.
It's not easy, man.
Oh!
Oh yeah, that's fire.
Bro, are we fucking lost, bro? I don't remember this shit. Check your phone.
What are you talking about?
We're gonna hit the ground in a minute.
We're crossing the creek. It's better than walking up the hill.
I'm saying, this is better than walking up that hill.
Going
Yeah,
around.
just keep following.
Yeah, we're just in the valley of it.
And we're gonna hit where we cross.
Yeah. Can you just walk this bitch straight up? Oh, you're hitting that one. You hit this side.
None of that shit. This would be a cool little like slide.
Yeah.
You could slide right down there. I guarantee it. I guarantee your ass ain't hurting. That's completely smooth from all the water.
It's pretty deep too.
Move them little bit of rocks.
I always forget that I can put this in the water. I did.
Did you? Holy crap.
I mean, he said it can go underwater.
Nah, yeah.
He jumped in off of the hippie hole with it. So.
I forgot about that.
I mean, if it
We got a little sunshine. Oh, yeah, bro.
if it didn't work after the water, then I'd use my warranty. Nah, you got it, bro.
There's no way to get down.
It's fast, Betty. You're taking it slow.
It's
No. Slow. It's steady. Or no, what is it?
But what's fast?
It's something about steady is fast, fast is slow. Something. I can't remember. Yeah, but we'll say like that.
across the tree. Jay, see how sturdy that is?
No, it's hollow all the way in. It's hollow. Don't do that.
Yeah, but it's really good to fall.
Oh. It's gonna snap right in half, Brad.
Take one close.
You want it to fall while you're on it?
What's the lift up and make it?
It's gonna
Fall
roll.
in the water? Me?
No, yeah, you.
I say it goes straight
that,
down.
Yeah, you got it.
I say it goes straight down.
I don't.
Yeah, I don't. You got it. See what happens.
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
Oh. That's the way. Yeah, that's good. Man.
Hell
I didn't
yeah.
see you doing that. I see you just straight jumping.
Yeah, I thought you.
You gotta use the leverage. Make the tree follow.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
How slippery is it?
Bro, I'm not me.
I mean, it's actually not too bad. Jake.
You gotta stay steady.
Jason's balance.
Oh my God, Jace, you're gonna bust your ass. Just stay steady at a steady pace. Don't stop. No, walk straight. Walk straight. Arms out. You got it. Oh yeah. A little faster. A little faster. There you go. There you go.
My balance. It's just my balance.
Right there.
Oh, there's a hole there.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
He almost lost.
You see where I
Almost lost his ankle.
something walks here.
Oh shit.
That's nothing.
Oh, see? It is. I can't stick the in.
Why? Were you like already putting your hands out?
No, it's just my momentum carries me forward.
Oh, there's gonna be a sliver. That's a hard jump. Good thing. Easy.
You jumping there?
Oh yeah.
My boy, what?
That's a jump.
My boy, what?
Holy shit.
Front leg fully extended. Roll forward.
It collapsed, bro.
Camera.
My foot literally went straight through the mud. Hell yeah.
Oh, you made that, Jay?
What'd you do? Walk through the water?
It was already collapsed. No, that was a little branch right there.
Oh.
After Zayden did it, it collapsed.
Yeah. Do you think it's like illegal to go into the cave? You think it's illegal to go into the cave?
No.
I don't know, depending on where it's at.
Probably not advised to, but probably not legal. It's out there. It'd be boarded up.
Yeah. Yeah. Guess you're right.
Yeah, they board up and seal places so you can't go. Like the Nutty Putty Cave where that bro died.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's completely sealed up. You can't go there anymore. I kind of do think that's because of the fucking body down there too.
Huh?
Yeah, they never got bro out.
He's literally just
They never got
sticking
bro
legs
out.
out.
He's in a cave.
Going head first.
He just can't get out.
I feel like that's where he up. Like, why would you go head first?
And something new.
Yeah?
You have to go arms first too in a lot of places because it makes your shoulder width skinnier. Because a lot of times the limiting factor is your shoulders.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they're not called cave divers for nothing.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like you could drop down over
Whoa. This shit's gonna be sketchy.
because there's legs on.
Oh, it ain't that. I thought it was skinny.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe even.
With what, a rope? Oh yeah, no, you can go around that and come up that. That's an also, but it don't go far. That one don't.
Go this way.
Yeah.
You gotta dive through this shit?
Yeah, it's fire.
Damn.
Ooh. Yeah. Nobody's down there, you know?
For you. Yeah, facts.
I might have to take off.
My bag, yeah.
Like, do you think there was a cave down there too?
Probably.
Where it's just filled up
Yeah, probably.
with leaves and mud.
Brett, can you grab this?
I mean, yeah, there could be something in here.
Yeah, dead ass.
Here, Jay.
Holy shit. Yo, why is that shit behind?
Yeah.
No, that's a wet. That's like wet.
Oh. Woo-hoo. Let's get it.
Oh god.
Ooh. Yeah, it's a cave.
Yeah, for sure.
You weren't expecting this, huh?
Yo, this shit is wild.
Oh god, bro.
I say we just stick straight, no?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
goes
this
further
way.
down. It's a dead end.
Yeah.
Down there. It stinks in here. Hold on, yeah, I need to put my shirt.
Oh, I forgot about that part.
No, it's dead end everywhere.
Yeah, they're just little bump outs. They were looking for.
Back. And right above your head.
Yo,
Yo, yo.
Hold on.
You gotta check for bats when you come out too. On you. I'll have one on them.
Really?
Yeah, remember?
I don't get how they don't wake up. Oh, he's moving.
They're everywhere.
Yeah.
Hopefully that didn't stop it.
Literally all. Why are they like?
I'm not saying it like that, but
They're like
there's a
icy.
cave that might collapse. Just watch these steps and try not to step on it.
Whoa, no, that's not a thing.
Huh?
That's not really a thing like that.
It won't collapse under you?
Not really.
Are you sure?
It has mining shit pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Just looking for them. Just in my pocket.
You ever been up there, Chase?
Yeah.
Up there, you haven't.
Huh? You said what? Holy shit. No, I haven't. I didn't even see that last time. How far does it go?
Exit. There's the exit.
How far does it go?
Yeah, what the hell?
Oh, yeah, that wasn't there last time.
Yeah, and then there's the cricket spiders all in here, bro.
Facts.
That's the only thing I hated.
Damn, Zayden, that was ballsy as This guy, Zayden.
I have to, bro. It's not bad. I wish you had the beam.
Oh, God, bro. I fucking...
That shit goes deep.
Oh, I'm sure. This is
fucking crazy. This is...
way more than I thought. Way more than like holy
This
shit.
is wild, bro.
So, what is that, like quartz? So you can see where they were digging.
Yeah.
All the dig marks.
Dude, there's glitter all on the wall. Now this is good. No, there. Are you sure it's not this one?
Go up there.
I don't want to get dirty.
I'll go up.
That's some real cave shit right there.
Yeah, I wonder. They probably kept going.
Yeah, filled it in or something.
Oh, it does. Keep going.
Yeah.
Hold up.
I'm saying I swore I think it's this one.
No. Like, you're talking about the crawl?
Yeah.
No, it's not this. Do we go?
No, that ends. You can tell.
Are you sure? Look up there. It like swoops over.
It's echoing too. I think it's big.
What does that mean?
It keeps going.
Not today. Not today.
Which one is it then?
It's the hard left, I believe.
Yeah, it's the one that one's a dead end.
Who dares to walk across it? Yeah, I think that's the dead end.
Bro, I'm turning around and I'm running.
Bro, no, cause I'm turning around.
Brad said, I'm pushing you to the ground and running. I'm out this bitch.
I'm doing like an Aztec deadlifts or something. Bro,
What was that?
that's it.
See, I was sleeping the thing from my That's the car, right?
Yeah.
We come back.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember this one.
Too much dirt and driven down it by water. Yeah, that's what it is. It used to be wide open. Sure.
Yeah, it's probably like.
Because this is all shit that's been drifted that we're stuck in.
Yeah.
I believe they were done with this cave or mine, and they started filling shit back in.
This is coal.
Where it's collapsed.
Yeah.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
That's black gold right there, baby.
Coal?
Yeah. Oh yeah, if it breaks that easy.
Mm-hmm.
Easily.
Dude. What the That's what coal miners are on?
Oh yeah, look at it.
That.
What are you talking about? No, that's nothing. No cap.
You got a camera now.
You said Chandler's been through it?
No, he tried and he got stuck too. No one has.
Yeah, no. You can't get through that. Oh, come and look at it from right here.
Huh?
It's literally, it gets like 4 inches tall.
Swear.
Like, literally, you might like
Unless you dig it out some.
Get up here.
Like how the they get back
You see
there?
how skinny that shit gets? You ain't making, come on now.
Well, you gotta think, like Brett said, it wasn't this filled up.
Probably not. There's probably, this has been dragged here by water.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah, no, you're right.
That shit goes way too skinny.
What?
A rock got me.
You'll be alright.
I hope nothing's completely dirty as here.
Bush did 9/11.
Huh?
What the? Like roots? Why are there roots in here?
Need some fresh air.
So, should we throw rocks down there so we can get all these bats to fly out?
Huh?
Oh yeah. Straight dead end. I thought it went deeper than that.
Probably used to. Water.
Nice little cave. Slopes down.
Why would you wish that bad shit on me, bro?